Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install the Postman in Windows. Okay, so Postman is used for the API testing, for example. So inside the Google, just write download and install inside the first link. This is a link and that this is the official link of Postman and I'm using for the Windows. So therefore, click on the Windows 64-bit or whatever your operating system is. Okay, so you can download it. When I press this, the downloading is started, and based on your internet speed, it will complete. Okay, so downloading is completed. For installation, click on the download it icon, and here after some seconds, okay, the basically the installation is preparing to open. Okay, and here the installation is basically uh, going to start. Okay, the icon is visible now and installation is completed. And when I launch basically the Postman, here you can see that the Postman is successfully launched for Windows. And if from here, for example, if I a little bit explore it, okay, inside this apps, and the first thing here you can basically create a new API. Here you can write the URL and whatever you are get post or something like. Okay, so this is how you can download and install the Postman in Windows. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can just go to the video comment section or inside the video description. There is a question link. Just copy this link and you can ask any question to directly message me inside my website. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.